Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to lock Ecobee Thermostat from the application. So first of all, you need to open your Ecobee application on your phone. Then you just have to simply select your thermostat. Now, many people expect that you are going to find a lock thermostat button inside the application, but that's not how Ecobee's access control feature works. So here is the important part. On your current Ecobee thermostat, you just have to simply go to the main menu settings. Then you can also select the option of settings in order to get access to the settings. Now inside the settings, you just have to simply take a look at the access control. Now over here you need to enable the security code, and this is the Ecobee's official locking feature. Now over here you need to enter the 4-digit access code, and then you just have to save it. Now you just have to select what you want to protect. Most of the homeowners choose all the settings, and it is going to basically prevent anyone from changing the temperatures, schedules, comfort settings and system preferences without entering that pin. Now you need to allow the thermostat to return to its normal display, and then you can try adjusting the temperature from the temperature thermostat's screen, and this should be prompted for the pin before changes can be made. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.